ऑटोरिदमिक फाइबर क्या है, कहाँ होते हैं और क्या करते हैं, यही सारी चीज़ें आज की वीडियो में हम करने वाले हैं डिस्कस। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम, अस्सलाम वालेकुम। Today's topic is autorhythmic fiber, the conduction system. Autorhythmic fiber are the self-excitable myocyte that can generate electrical impulse without external stimulation. That's why it is called as a specialized cardiac muscle fiber or myocytes. The mean which is that without external stimulation, it does not rely on the nervous system for generating and sustaining a heartbeat, because heart has to generate its electrical impulse, and because of this self-excitability, it does not depend on the nervous system. So अगर हम हार्ट को ट्रांसप्लांट भी कर लेते हैं, बॉडी से आउट कर लेंगे, बॉडी से टेक आउट कर लेंगे, तो भी हार्ट पंप करेगा, हार्ट कॉन्ट्रैक्ट करेगा, जस्ट बिकॉज कि हार्ट जो है डज नॉट डिपेंड ऑन द नर्वस सिस्टम. नर्वस सिस्टम जस्ट प्ले अ रोल कि वो इंक्रीज एंड डिक्रीज द हार्ट रेट, दैट्स इट. इट डज नॉट जनरेट द heart beat, heart rate, or electrical impulse. It is generated by hearts itself. So it is the role that is played by autorhythmic fiber. So the next one is a conduction system. The conduction system is a system that provide a path for propagating an impulse from SA node to the Purkinje fiber. So here is a list जिसमें हमारे पास एक्शन पोटेंशियल जो है ट्रैवल करेगा SA नोड से, AV नोड से, AV बंडल से, राइट एंड लेफ्ट बंडल ब्रांचेस एंड Purkinje fiber. So the autorhythmic fiber have two important role. Act as a pacemaker, setting the rhythm of electrical excitation that cause the contraction of the heart. The next one, they also form cardiac conduction system. What is a system? It is a network of a specialized cardiac muscle fiber that provide a path for each cycle of cardiac excitation to progress through the heart, to ensure the proper contraction of both chambers, arteria and the ventricle. So this is about the role of the autorhythmic fiber. Now let's discuss in detail the conduction system, which is a start from the sinoatrial node, which is present lateral and inferior to the superior vena cava in the right atrium. It generates impulse in 0.6 second or 100 action potential per minute. SA node do not have a stable resting potential, so it can produce spontaneous depolarization, which is known as pacemaker potential. This pacemaker potential reaches a threshold, it generates an action potential. When the action potential is generated, impulse from the SA node move into the AV node. It resides where the signal is slowed to about 0.1 second to provide a chance to the atria to move the blood into the ventricle, and AV node are present at the interarterial septum. From the AV node, it is moved to the arterioventricular bundle, which is also known as a bundle of His. It is the only site where the impulse is conducting from the arteria to the ventricle. From the bundle of His, it is divided into right and left bundle branches, which is moved through the interventricular septum toward the apex. From the apex, impulse is carried by a Purkinje fiber toward the ventricle and allow the ventricles to contract and push the blood to the semilunar walls. So here is a complete video on the conduction system and autorhythmic fiber. Hopefully you like it. अगर आपको आज की वीडियो पसंद आई है, समझ आ गया है कि ऑटोरिदमिक फाइबर्स क्या हैं और कंडक्शन सिस्टम क्या है, तो आपने मुझे ज़रूर बताना है. साथ में मेरा चैनल ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिएगा और लाइक शेयर भी करना मत भूलिएगा. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग. अल्लाह हाफ़िज़.